What if you could own a smartphone with a stunning AMOLED display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and JBL-tuned audio for under €200? Sounds like a dream, right? Let me introduce you to the Infinix Hot 50 Pro, a device that's grabbing attention for all the right reasons. Today, we're breaking down its features, one by one, to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start with how this phone looks and feels. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro is impressively sleek, measuring just 6.8 millimeters in thickness and weighing only 162 grams. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and fits comfortably in your pocket. With a glass front and plastic back, the build feels sturdy yet stylish. The phone also offers an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, which means it can handle minor splashes and everyday dust without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to looks, the three color options, sleek black, titanium gray, and dreamy purple, ensure there's a style for everyone. Now, let's talk about the display, and this is where things get exciting. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen that supports 1 billion colors. What does that mean for you? Vibrant, lifelike visuals with deep blacks and bright whites. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling buttery smooth, while the peak brightness of 1300 nits ensures you can use the phone comfortably even under direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or browsing social media, this display won't disappoint. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, giving it durability against everyday wear and tear. Next up, let's dive into performance. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, built on a 6nm process. This octa-core processor includes 2 high-performance Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz, ensuring smooth multitasking, and 6 Cortex-A55 cores for efficient power management. The Mali G57 GPU handles graphics, making it a solid choice for casual gamers. Running Android 14 with XOS 14.5, the phone offers a clean and responsive user experience. With the promise of one major Android upgrade to keep things fresh when it comes to storage, this phone has you covered. It offers 2 configurations, 128GB with 8GB of RAM or 256GB with 8GB of RAM. Both options use UFS 2.2 technology for faster app launches and data transfers. And if you're worried about running out of space, there's a dedicated microSD slot for easy expansion. Now, let's move on to the cameras, which are a big highlight of the Infinix Hot 50 Pro. The main camera setup includes a 50MP primary lens with an f/1.6 aperture. This allows more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer photos, even in low-light conditions. The secondary 2MP depth sensor enhances portraits by adding a natural background blur. For videos, you can shoot up to 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second, which is quite impressive for a phone at this price point. On the front, you get a 13MP selfie camera with a wide-angle lens, perfect for group selfies or capturing more of the background. The addition of an LED flash ensures you can take clear selfies even in dim lighting. Whether it's photos, videos, or video calls, this camera setup delivers reliable performance. Let's talk audio now, because this is another area where the Infinix Hot 50 Pro shines. It features stereo speakers tuned by JBL, delivering crisp and immersive sound quality. While the phone doesn't include a headphone jack, the high-res audio certification guarantees an excellent listening experience, whether you're using Bluetooth headphones or the built-in speakers. Now, battery life, one of the most critical aspects for any smartphone user. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 33W wired charging gets you to 50% in just 26 minutes. There's also 10W reverse charging, so you can use this phone to power up other devices in a pinch. Finally, let's cover connectivity and sensors. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro includes dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC support for contactless payments, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG functionality. For added security, the under-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable. Other sensors like an accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass ensure the phone is ready for both everyday tasks and more specialized apps. All of this comes at a price of just about €190. For what this phone offers, it's hard to find a better deal in this price range. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who needs a capable second phone, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro delivers excellent value for money. Infinix is proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to get premium features. The Hot 50 Pro is a perfect example of how budget smartphones can still feel luxurious. What do you think about the Infinix Hot 50 Pro? Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.